Okay, I got this new thing. I'm very excited about it. It's a small parts drawer unit. I don't actually know what it's called. I'll look it up. I put all my cutters in there. I haven't labeled them all yet, and I have 2 more coming. I ordered 3. Also, you can see how big it is. I don't really know where to put it. This spot is too narrow for it to go in. I don't know where it should go. I want to hang it on the wall because it doesn't have a back. It's got these screw things. I feel so organized. I used to keep these in Ziploc bags, and I mean, it worked, but it just wasn't easy to find because I would just have a big box full of Ziploc bags and I have to dig through each one. I went a little crazy and I did not alphabetize them, but then I kind of almost alphabetized them because I put berries, Cattleya, and Symbodium right next to each other, but then open roses. Look how gorgeous the detailing is on this banner. While I was organizing these and setting them up, I found all these leaves. These were in the ivy bag, but they're not ivy leaves. I think this is a poppy. This one's either ranunculus or anemone, which they're in the same family, so it doesn't really matter. So I think I'll just have, yeah, see, here's these. This one's ranunculus. This one is daisy. Again, I think. Don't quote me on that. I own tuberose. These are daisy cutters, but I use them to make tuberoses. More daisy cutters. They all can be used for different things, but I sorted them how I think about how I use them. So yeah, I've got more boxes coming because I still have more cutters I need to sort. And these are, I think, 6 by 4 by 2 inches. And so some of my cutters and veiners are too big for that. The Monstera, the Magnolia, a massive 4.5 inch daisy cutter that I never use, but I have it. So some of the drawers I got were bigger and some of the drawers I got were smaller. So I'm just really excited to be super organized. I'm really living on the edge here, guys. I did a paint pen to label them, so I hope I don't change my mind about what I want to put in each drawer because it's going to be a pain to take that paint off. So that's my new fancy organizational way of doing this. And then I went through the store in one of my other videos so I can sort these better now and find these guys' homes. I still like the idea of having the ones I use the most in these 2 drawers, but if I can find a spot for this guy on the wall somewhere close by where I work, then I could use those drawers for something else. And this is going to be my pretty wall. I'm rearranging stuff in my studio this week. This is the wall behind my computer. So when I do Zoom calls, this is my background. So I want to make it prettier. It could be more organized. And also the wall of shipping stuff. I think this is getting moved to that wall. And that's my photography stuff. And that's getting moved to my replica services studio, which will probably be stationed here because it's pretty. Anyway, some of my studio updates. Very exciting.